How to repost someone's story on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, if someone has mentioned you in their story, that is the only case you'll be able to repost their story on your Instagram. So if somebody has not reposted or mentioned you on their Instagram story, you'll not be able to add or repost the story. So if you are mentioned in other person's story, you can simply tap on the DM section and you'll be notified about you being mentioned. So simply you can see I have been mentioned, so I'm going to tap on it, and as I tap on the DM you can see the option of add to your story. So simply select on that, and as I tap on add to your story, you'll be able to repost the person's story on your Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.